Want to transform your Wix website into a talent magnet? Let's dive into how to seamlessly add a job board. First, head to your Wix dashboard, then click on Apps and select Visit App Market. This is where we'll find tools to power your job board in the search bar. Type in job board and hit enter. You'll see a variety of options for this tutorial. We'll use Job Search by JobsRadar, but feel free to explore other apps to find the best fit for your needs. Click on the app of your choice. On the app page, click the Add to Site button. Wix will ask for permission to integrate the app with your site. Review the permissions and click Agree and Add. Now, the app settings panel will appear within your Wix editor. Here, you can customize the job board's appearance, connect it to your company profile, and configure how jobs are displayed. Take your time to adjust these settings to match your website's branding. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, hit Publish on your Wix editor, and that's it. Your Wix website now boasts a functional job board ready to attract top talent. Alternatively, you can embed your preferred job board from services like Breezy HR or Zoho Recruit. Get the embed code from your chosen platform back in the Wix editor. Add an HTML frame element to your page. Paste the embed code into the HTML settings window and adjust the frame size to properly display the job board. Publish your site to see the embedded board live. Experiment with different apps and embedding options to find the perfect job board solution for your Wix website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Wix tips and tricks.